Hello everybody, this is Tyler from Tcustoms, and today I'm going to show you how I made these RGB film lights for under $25. Now, sorry for the 3D printer noises in the background. I got something going right now. If you can guess what it is, then well, I guess you can guess the next upcoming video. Now, I've had this idea for a while now, but finally decided to start this project when I saw them for sale at Lowe's. Now, this 3-pack of LED lights isn't particularly cheap at $25, but compared to most, film lights, yeah, it's only a fraction of the price. Now, using these things should be quite simple. Just connect them to the camera and you're off. Yeah, I tried getting these things working for like an entire hour. I even went to the YouTube channel to see that they had horrible reviews. I was about to return them when I realized I was using the wrong app the entire time. It turns out there is a free app made by the actual company. It's not just the first result that pops up. So after some quick trouble and error, I eventually got these things connected, but it turns out they need Bluetooth and Wi-Fi in order to work. Now, in my testing, I found that it is possible to program them as just one color, and they'll stay like that forever, which if you have to do some like filming somewhere where there's not any Wi-Fi, maybe that's what you're gonna have to do. But yeah, it's definitely not ideal. There are probably many alternatives on Amazon that don't need a Wi-Fi or Bluetooth in order to work, but this is what I got right now, so it'll have to do. Now that I got these lights working, I modeled up a holder for them and started printing it. I took them off the build plate, and as you can see, there were a few design iterations. After watching a video by Kevin Leonardo, I used a deburring tool to narrow out all the hairs. With that finished, I can now push in the nut and put the zip ties into place. Making sure that it's all tight and level. Now, this design works with pretty much any kind of light bulb holder. Just make sure it stays level while you're doing it, and yeah, you're good. It doesn't even need to be smooth. Once assembled, I mounted it on a tripod, which allowed me to position it however I wanted. The app allows you to pick any color from this color wheel and allows you to adjust a variety of settings. Candle, lava, rainbow, firework. It has some built-in presets including candle, there's some built-in presets including candle, lava. There's some built-in presets including this RGB rainbow cycle mode, a candle mode, a lava mode, and firework mode. Ooh! Now let's see what these lights can do. I'll grab something from a future video to use as a lighting subject. And switching to my phone camera, you can see just how much a couple of little lights can do. If you want the STL file for this light bracket, it'll be in the description of this video for free. But with that, this video is finished. Thanks for watching.